The red rods are another very popular sensorial material. These discriminate the dimension of length. Again, they are a preparation for mathematics. 10 centimetres, 20 centimetres, 30 centimetres, all the way to 100 centimetres. Base 10 in preparation for the decimal system. Short, longer, 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 longest. In your resource pack, you will find a mini red rod material. I am looking for the longest rod. Just as with the original materials, your resource material follows the same idea, with each rod increasing in size exactly according to the first rod. Another very popular extension of this activity is the maze. While your child will not be able to walk through the maze, they are likely to be able to take their microcar and move it very carefully through the maze and back again.